Hi, this is Toby from Cybermarket. We are looking at the A-Part Audio Concept 1 amplifier. Now this is quite a unique amplifier as it can be set up in about 3 different ways. So it's a stereo amplifier essentially with with 80 watts per channel at 4 ohm, 60 watts per channel at 8 ohm. Okay, so this amplifier can be set up in 3 different ways. A single stereo input and output, a dual mono with linked volume, i.e. the volume controls both zones, or 2 separate zones with individual volume control. Now these settings can be accessed through the menu here. There's an expert setting where you can set, and it gives you exact maps on the top of the amplifier here of how you can configure it. So this is ideally situated, ideally designed for restaurants, bars, you know, maybe with a couple of areas where you want to have different volume controls over those areas. So it's a really useful, versatile amp. A-Part Audio make really kind of cracking equipment, and they really think about the design that they put into, you know, the applications that these are going to be used for. So it has 4 different inputs basically. So if I just turn this round on the back, you have 4 different inputs on here. We have line A, line B, line C, line D. There's a preamp out for putting into another amplifier, and there is also a line out for which can be used for, you know, a subwoofer, an active subwoofer if you wanted to get some bass off it. There's low pass filters, low cut buttons on the back to take out the bass frequencies. Sometimes, especially in commercial environments, it's the bass that kind of travels and penetrates and upsets neighbours and stuff like that. So it's quite useful to use the low cuts in there. It's a very useful thing to have on. These are the speaker outs. They use Phoenix connectors, which are supplied, which you just screw in. And then you've got an external IR input if you have the unit in a cupboard somewhere and you need to extend the IR. And there's RS232, which is programmable. If you know how, that's just specifically for installers. They'll know what we're talking about. As I said, there is a remote control that comes with this, but it is an option. It doesn't come with the amplifier in itself. It is available at an extra cost. The other features that we have on here, you can select the volume from the 2 music zones by pressing this button on the front. It also allows you to change things like the mic level, because there is also, which I didn't show you on the back here, let's go back to it, there is an input for a microphone and paging. So you can page individually zones 1 and 2 here again, which is a good feature. And that can probably wire into a telephone system as well. Sometimes if it's more of a commercial environment in an office or something like that, that might be quite useful. And then there's also a gain and tone for the microphone. Again, the microphone's in on a Phoenix connector, and what that is, you've basically got the positive, negative and ground for a balanced microphone connection. So if it has a connector on the end, you can just wire it straight in. It's very simple. As always, you can buy the A-Part Audio Concept 1 from Cybermarket. If you have any questions about it, any installation advice or speakers that you think you want to know, you would like to know what goes with it, then give us a call on 01371 879 000. We're here to help.